Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we are filming late because we just got in the new iPhone 17e cases. I got one in every variety. So we've got the Beats case with MagSafe, we've got the silicone case, and we've got the clear case. So the Beats case is limestone, silicone case is soft pink, and the clear case is clear. What do you know? So we've got all three cases lined up there. And before we get too deep into this thing, all these cases were purchased with my own money. I have no connection to Apple in any way whatsoever. I would love to have one, but I'm not big enough for that yet. So go ahead and get subscribed. And if you guys want to see content with the iPhone 17e, I've got a pink one coming next Wednesday. I've got a MacBook Neo in Citrus as well. Be on the lookout for both of those coming to the channel very, very soon. All right, I want to keep you guys too long and I want to go to bed here because it's very late. So we're going to start with the Beats case. So here is the box. Pretty nice. You can kind of tell how they differentiate the marketing between Beats products and Apple products. So we've got different text design. The box is like a little bit more fun. It's at like a, quirky angle. This one's just head on. I'm in marketing, I noticed this stuff. And even the backs are a little bit different with the pull tab design and stuff like that. Now, I've never had a Beats case before, so this will be a first for me. So, Beats case in limestone. I love the inside there, by the way. That's pretty cool. Nice little pull tab. There we go. And tell you what, let's go ahead and scoot these to the side here. All right, pulling out. All right, there it is in limestone. Very nice material. This is hard plastic. Oh, I actually didn't know that. I kind of thought this was gonna be a silicone case. Oh, it's giving me advice. Hold the phone. Haha, great idea, guys. All right, so here it is, the Beats case in limestone. And yeah, this is basically a hard plastic shell. I did notice that. Let's give it up to this camera here. Limestone is very nice. Got the Beats accent and kind of like a Volt yellow. Buttons appear to be pretty good. All the same color plastic throughout. No accent color buttons, which honestly would be pretty cool if they were Volt colored. That'd be pretty awesome. Got the camera cut out there. And overall, it's pretty thin. You can kind of get an idea of the dimensions of the 17e. I didn't get a 16e last year, so this will be a totally new experience for me. But it looks like a pretty decently sized small phone. You can easily hold it in one hand. And of course, there is the Volt color on the inside here. This is a nice, soft, kind of feels like a tennis ball material. It's even like the same color as a tennis ball. You got the MagSafe ring in the middle there. Very, very nice. There we have it, you guys. Beats case in limestone. We'll go ahead and set that at the edge of the frame right there. Do we get anything else in the box? I'm guessing this is just our usual materials, safety and handling stuff. I see nothing else there. Nothing in here. Gotta check. You never know if they're gonna start like bundling these with headphones or something, or a charger. They would never ever do that. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's move on to our next one. I really wanna see the light pink case. So we'll go over the box again really quickly here. They show you how to put on the case. This one actually has loops in case you want to get Apple's strap. I know it's very trendy right now to kind of wear your phone. Wearable tech is always super cool. I'm very excited to dive into this one because, fun fact, I actually asked you guys which 17e I should get. There is white, black, and pink, and you guys very heavily voted that I get a pink phone. So I'll be carrying a pink phone around for about the next month or so while I'm testing it. So thank you guys, I appreciate that. I'm gonna get a lot of questions at work. Anyways, here is the light pink case. Looks like every other Apple silicone case I've ever seen. But we'll go ahead and pull it out here. set that over to the side. This is a very nice pink. My wife is going to love this. My wife is gonna be so jealous that I have a pink phone, you guys. It's gonna be hilarious. Very nice. Feels exactly like every other Apple silicone case. If you've touched one, you know exactly how this feels. Kind of the nice, soft, rubbery texture on all sides. Power button is textured and it's pretty clicky. Same with all of the other buttons. Nice and clicky and textured as well. We've got the silicone material on them, the logo in the middle, and then on the bottom, crossbody strap holes right there. And if you guys want to see one of Apple's cases with crossbody strap holes that did not hold up very well, go ahead and click up here to watch my review of the iPhone Air clear case. It did not fare very well. It got cracked, we'll just say that. Beautiful light pink color. It is very subtle. I could see in some lights this looking white. I got the studio lighting here, of course, so hopefully this comes across as pretty pink for you guys. But this is very pretty. I like it. We will set it right there with our other one. And last but not least, you guys, iPhone 17e clear case. Here it is. Exact same guidelines on the back here. Nothing really crazy going on with the box. And from the diagram on the back here, it looks like it does not have holes for the crossbody strap. So that's a bit of an unusual choice, I will say, because Apple's iPhone 17 series clear cases pretty much all had holes for the crossbody strap, so kind of strange. This is looking very nice. Oh, I always love seeing a brand new clear case. They're always so nice when they're fingerprint free, you guys. This is very nice. Cool, looking good. This might be the one that I rock while I'm doing this review. This is a really nice case. It's very shiny. This seems to be shinier than Apple's clear cases that they did for the 17s. At least it seems like it to me. Buttons are all clear as well. This is the clearest case I've ever seen. You've got a good cutout on the bottom here. So you've got access to your USB-C port, speakers, mics, everything is nice and open. So that is cool. Camera cutout. And it is ever so slightly raised. I don't know if I can really catch that on camera, but it is raised up a little bit in case you drop it like that. And I imagine with all of these cases, they've got a little bit of a lip here so the screen doesn't touch when you put it face down. That would be pretty standard. All of Apple's cases do that. So a very nice clear case. Let me go ahead and get all of these lined up for you right here. Perfect. And then really quick, I think I will just do a brief kind of like hold them right up to the camera so you guys can take it all in one last time. So again, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and get subscribed. I am covering pretty much everything that Apple has announced at their March event. And again, I am self-funded. I purchase all of these products myself so that I can bring them to you guys and give you unbiased reviews. So if you like that kind of content, you know where to find me. All right, so let's go ahead and get these shots. I'm gonna stop talking. I think I'm losing my voice, but I'm gonna let some music play here as I show you all of these cases up close. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I am gonna go to bed. It's now 9:30. If you guys wanna see more from me, I've got some videos linked up here that YouTube thinks you will enjoy. I'll see you guys next week for my full iPhone 17e and MacBook Neo coverage. Super excited for those devices. I'll catch y'all later. Have a good night.